This is Heather, and I'm going to show you some functions of the enrollment code. So first we're going to check what students we have. We have 3 students, as you can see. So we know we can add a 4th student. And as you can see, it was successful. So now we'll just check the students there. There he is. Next thing to check is courses. So before we add a new one, we'll see what's already there. We've got C100 to C400. So I'll add C500. We've saved the information. Now we'll check that we can retrieve it. And there we go, there's the new course. Next function we'll test will be enrollment. So I'll just hold this out here so we can see who we can enroll in what. C500 is new, so no one's been enrolled in that yet. And the enrollment's been saved. View enrollments. C500 is the one we just did. And we should have nev new. Next thing I'll do is show what happens when we've got a course that no one has enrolled in yet. So there's no one enrolled in Study Prac, which is C600. No enrollments. Next thing we'll check is the billing system. I know that S100 already has several enrollments, and the total of his courses is shown there. And we'll also check his timetable, and it shows all the courses he's been enrolled in. So I'll quickly explain how the client got connected to the database. We had to create a service reference. And here's the address of where the service is. Once it discovers the services, you can add the reference. What you should also do is make sure it's going to return the types that you want, in this case a list, rather than an array. I'll also show you that the remote database has been updated by the client. So remember, C600 was new. and S400 was new. All the classes. Next, I'm going to take you through some of the code step by step. So this is the enrollment form code. So first we'll check who's enrolled in what, so that I can make a new enrollment. As you can see, all the students have been pulled out so that they can populate the drop-down box, as well as the courses. And we'll see that they're all there, including the new one. And the new student is available. So we've changed the selected student, so it's going to bring back the information for that student. But to get the name information, we need to pull back all the students from the database so that we can find the specific one that matches the ID we've just chosen. As you saw, the ID is S400 that we chose. And the last thing to check is that it will enroll properly in the database. And it saved, which means that more than one row was inserted in the database. And we'll just check the enrollment. And NevNew has been enrolled in the Python programming. The course drop-down box follows the same logic as the student drop-down box. And that's the code walkthrough for the WCF client for the Enrollment Services app. I hope this was helpful.